if I put this on you?
No, that's fine.
Sorry, we're the only ones without a pole.
Okay. Yeah,
My
that's fine.
condolences.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, if you can hook it or I can hook it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
Thank you.
Huh? Yeah. We get to see you 2 days in a row. What is this?
I know it's things happen. Yeah, very some good and some not so good. I think everybody got the news media release from the State Patrol. Good.
Okay.
Give us an ID on that.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. All right. So tell us what happened this afternoon.
Well, tragically today, about 1:30 in the afternoon, Franklin County Sheriff's Office suffered a very tragic loss. One of our deputies, Deputy Angie Kane, was on her way to work, coming up Route 33 from Canal Winchester, and got involved in a traffic accident where she did not survive the injuries and passed away. And the State Highway Patrol, in their jurisdiction, they're handling the investigation, taking the report, which we're very grateful to them for their assistance on this. Just a tragic loss. Terrific deputy, fantastic person, well liked and well loved by everybody in the sheriff's office. Really hurts today.
So tell us a little bit more about her. Maybe her family, who she leaves behind, things like that.
She's about a 10-year veteran of the sheriff's office and worked in the main jail, second shift, involved in a lot of training of civilian staff, deputy staff. And I talked with her chain of command at length today and her chief, and they tell me she's just one of those people that everybody likes, just a great employee, kind of the employee that everybody wants. You don't really hear their name every day. They come into work, they work all the time, they do their job, they're happy, they're motivated, just a terrific person. And I know she lived down in Southern Ohio, out of Logan, with her parents, and helped take care of them. And she was into quilting. I just found that out earlier. She would make quilts for everybody, staff, anybody that had a child, and stuff like that. Just a good person.
How does it feel to have something like this, so unfortunate, so random, happen to one of your own?
Well, it's a shock. I've been through it in my career. Unfortunately, I've experienced this. A lot of our people are young, and they have not experienced that. And we don't have that much in the sheriff's office. We're not that large, and it's just so tragic. And right now, people are in shock. We've had people that had to go home. I mean, they're just devastated because they were such good friends. They relied on each other, and like I said, she helped everybody out. I mean, she was on her way into work today when the accident occurred.
Can you explain what happened with the truck and the others that were hit in this whole situation?
I honestly, I could not. I was not at the accident scene, and like I said, the State Highway Patrol is handling that part. They're in charge of the full accident. I would like to say I know the sheriff's office down in Fairfield helped out. Columbus Police came and helped out. And my thanks go out to Colonel Fambrough and Chief Tom Quinlan and the other sheriffs. It's a family, all of us in law enforcement, and when somebody gets injured or killed like that, we all come together and support each other. And this is one of those times, unfortunately, and they helped us out a great deal, and we appreciate it.
When we were there on scene today, a lot of the law enforcement officers were there lined up, escorted the car that she was in to the morgue and were moving.
Yes.
Can you describe kind of like the vibe is when you have somebody who's just died in the sheriff's office, whether they knew her or worked with her personally or not, they stop and show respect. Just describe that.
It's a matter of respect. I mean, when people volunteer to serve the public and put themselves many times in harm's way and danger. And when something like this happens, we take it, it hurts. And so it's kind of a show of respect, the least we can do. When they take that final trip to the morgue or the funeral home or the church graveyard, it's the least we can do. It doesn't matter whether you know them personally or not, but at least to show up, render a salute, take part in the caravan, and just show that you really do respect them.
At this point, Sheriff, is there anything planned to remember her, or are there any arrangements that you know of that you might be able
It's
to
just
announce?
way too soon right now. Those are in the works. I've talked to my chief, that's in charge of the honor guard, and they are, as we speak, they are putting plans together right now. And of course, I just talked to the chief over the jail, and they want to do some things to honor Angie also. So there will be a lot going on. Of course, COVID makes it difficult this time, but in spite of that, we will honor her.
I may not have heard you correctly. Did she go by Angie?
Angela Kane, Angie. That's what they called her.
Yeah.
When she was heading to work, what was her post that she was heading to? Like, what was she supposed to do today?
Second shift down in the Pike, just general duties down. Any other
Anything you'd like
questions?
to add about her? Maybe.
No, like I said, she's a model employee. She will be missed. It's going to have quite an impact on the sheriff's office, and these things do happen. They happen to everybody, not just law enforcement. And it's tragic whenever it does happen to anybody. But in any company, any fraternity, so to speak, when one of your own passes away or gets killed, it really hurts. And we just come together and appreciate the coverage on this. Really do.
And I know you weren't at the scene, but do you know what caused that flat tire?
No, I do not. I know none of the information about the accident itself. We leave that up to the accident investigators, and that will come out in time.
Thank you so much.
Thank all of you. Appreciate it.